Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our today's chapter is mensuration and the question is a medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, cylinder के shape में है like this and with two hemisphere stuck to each of its end. Two hemispheres है यहाँ पर to its end and if the length of cylinder part is 1/4 millimeter means 14 millimeter length of cylinder is given and the diameter of the hemisphere is 6 meter. So hemisphere, these are two hemisphere, the diameter is nothing but line passing through the center. This total D is 6 millimeter. Then the radius will be half. 6/2 you will get radius 3 meter. Okay, 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and then you have to find the volume of this medicine. Volume of medicine you have to find. If you want to find the volume of medicine, you have to find the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder plus, okay, what you have to find? Two hemisphere. Volume of two hemisphere is also there. So volume of two hemispheres you have to find. So here volume of cylinder formula is what? Pi r square h, and into 2 you have to find volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere is nothing but like this, half ball you can say. Okay, sphere like this, half ball you can say, hemisphere. So volume of sphere formula is what? 2/3 pi r cube. So you have to find first this and then this, then you have to substitute these values, okay, over here. Then you will get the volume of medicine. Okay, volume of medicine capsule. Here you can see medicine and this are two hemispheres, and volume of capsule equals to volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. Like this you have to write. First, in the place of volume of cylinder, you will write the formula pi r square h plus into 2 into volume of hemisphere is what? 2/3 pi r cube. So you know that radius is given as what? Radius is 3 meter. You will get half of diameter 3 millimeter. You will get 3 square into height. Height is given 14 mm. 14 you have written. Okay, I have written over here. Now 4/3. How I got 4/3? 2 into 2, 4/3, 22/7. R cube is nothing but same radius. The cylinder and hemisphere will have same radius. Okay, because these two are joined together. So here they are sharing the same base. So the radius will be 3 cube. Okay, because here cube is there 3. Now how I got this? I'll do the calculation. Here you can see this plus will divide this 2, okay, into these two numbers. Okay, first we will solve this in whatever is there in bracket. So here is, you can see in this, here this plus is dividing this. Okay, so here you can take 22/7 common. Okay, 22/7 common from this both brackets, and 3 also you can take common. 3 square you can take common. Into 3 square I'll take common. Now the remaining here 22/7 I have taken common, and 3 square also I have taken. The remaining will be 14 plus sign. Then here 4/3 will be left because I have not taken the 4/3 common over there, and into 22/7 I have taken common, and 3 square I have taken. So one more 3 will be left because here cube is there 3. Now this 3 gets cancelled. We can cancel this 2 because multiplication sign is there. If plus is there, you have to take the LCM, or you can do cross multiplication. Here see 22/7 into 3 square, 14 plus 4, you can add this to 18 you will get. You have to multiply. 3 square is 9. 22/7 into 9 into 18. 9 into 18 is what? 9 into 18. So here I got 18 into 9, 162. This value you can see. Okay, you will get 22/7 into 162. So what 22/7 value is what? Pi. So you can write over here 162 pi. Here you can see pi value cubic millimeters, or else you can divide this to 162 into 2. This 2 you can multiply and you will get answer. After multiplying you will get 162 into 22. This 2 you will get 3564, and then you have to divide 3564 by 7. So you will get this value 509.14, and it will continues. Okay, so you can take 2 digits after decimal point. So you can take this answer or else this. But the unit volume, for volume you have to take cube. So millimeter is given, so cubic millimeters I have taken.